In this video, you'll learn how to debug code using Claude Code. This guide explains how to set up your terminal environment, add your API key, create a debug script, and run it effectively to analyze your code files. Begin by setting up your terminal environment. First, create a new directory by entering the command debug. This command generates a folder named Claude_debug in your current directory. Next, navigate into this folder by typing cd Claude_debug. You will see your terminal path change to reflect this new location. Now, initialize a new node.js project by executing init-y. This command generates a package.json file with default settings. Following this, install the necessary packages by running bm install axios. These packages are required for making HTTP requests and managing environment variables. To add your Claude API key, create a new file named .env in the Claude_debug directory. You can do this using a text editor. Inside this file, type Claude_API_key =, your _real_ API_key_ here with your actual _real_ API_ here with your actual API key. This key is essential for authenticating your requests to the Claude API. Next, you will create the debug script. In the same directory, create a file named debug_code.js. Open this file and insert the provided JavaScript code. The script utilizes the library to load your API key and the Axios library to send the code for debugging. Ensure the script checks for a file path argument, reads the specified code file, and prepares a prompt for Claude to analyze your code. After saving the debug script, you can run it. In the terminal, type no debug_code.js /my_project/main.py, replacing /my_project/main.py with the path to your actual code file. Once executed, the script will send your code to the Claude API for analysis. The terminal will display a detailed debug report, including any bugs detected, suggested fixes, and best practices. For larger projects, you may want to debug multiple files simultaneously. You can modify your script to loop through a directory, add code to read all files in a specified folder and check their extensions. If the file is a Python or JavaScript file, the script should call the debug logic for each file, generating separate reports for each. If you prefer using Python, you can install the necessary packages by running pip install requests, python.env, create a Python script named debug_code.py and input the provided Python code. This script functions similarly to the JavaScript version, reading the specified code file and sending it to the Claude API for debugging. To run the Python script, enter python debug_code.py /my_project/main.py in the terminal. This will execute the script, and you will see the debug report printed in the terminal for the specified code file. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.